Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I have an appointment. What time is your appointment? It is at 10 o'clock. What is your name? My name is Emma. Please show me your ID. Here you are. Please fill out this form. Okay, I will. Please come with me. Sure. How are you today? I don't feel well. What is the problem? I have a headache. Do you have a fever? Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
What brings you here today?
I have a sore throat.
Let me check your throat.
Okay.
Please take a deep breath.
All right.
Drink plenty of water.
I will.
You need some medicine.
Thank you.
Get some rest.
Okay. Thank you. Here is your medicine. Thank you very much. Take it twice a day. I understand. Goodbye.
Take care. Goodbye.